Hello everyone, and welcome to today's webinar. We're coming to you from a beautiful day here in West Caldwell, New Jersey. Today we're going to talk about the QuadroMAX. It's the first universal scalable outdoor lighting fixture from MAXLITE.
8 powerful arms, 5 wattage configurations, 4 categories of lighting, all in one sleek body. Meet QuadroMAX, a universal and scalable outdoor fixture. Imagine being able to light an entire outdoor project using one product. That vision is now a reality with QuadroMAX, the first universal and scalable outdoor LED luminaire by MAXLITE. QuadroMAX can be customized for virtually any type of outdoor lighting application by applying one of 8 different powerful mounting arms to a universal body to create a canopy, area, flood, or wall-pack luminaire. With QuadroMAX, an entire project can be specified using the same body design for a clean, cohesive look throughout the space. One size does not fit all. Why pay for a fixture designed to handle more watts than you can actually need for a job? QuadroMAX can scale up or down in size to match the application. You can select a smaller, lower wattage fixture to mount to the wall in one area, and in the same project design a fixture larger both in size and wattage to mount high up on a pole. Both fixtures will have the same sleek design, but each one will be scaled just right for the job. QuadroMAX is available in 5 sizes and 3 beam distributions, but what makes it a true rock star is the 110 lumens per watt it achieves in any combination. Quick to ship, built to last. Customization has never been quicker than it is with QuadroMAX. MAXLITE holds inventory of QuadroMAX in all of its available wattages, so when an order comes in, we simply add the appropriate mounting option into the box and ship it out. That means you can have a custom fixture in 2 weeks or less, depending on the order size. Or, for a standard product, it's just a couple of days. QuadroMAX may be quick to arrive, but its staying power is unmatched. QuadroMAX provides 100,000 hours of maintenance-free light, and it's backed by MAXLITE'S 5-year warranty and lifetime product support. To learn more about what makes QuadroMAX one of a kind, visit www.quadromax.com.
So what is QuadroMAX? Well, imagine being able to light an entire outdoor project using just one product. Now, that's the vision, and now it's the reality from MAXLITE. An example would be if you had a multi-use type of application where you had a parking garage and you needed a canopy fixture, you could use the Canopy QuadroMAX version there. If you needed wall packs for some accent lighting, again, the QuadroMAX would fit that. If you had road or area lighting around the complex, you could use that. And finally, if you needed floodlights, you could use this. Some of the main features of the QuadroMAX: the housing is designed to accept multiple mounting options, and we'll go into that a little bit later on. So it can be a canopy, an area light, a floodlight, and wall mounted. It has 3 NEMA distributions available. Type 3, which is elongated type of distribution with some backlight coming from it. Type 4, which would be something that you would put on the perimeter, so there is no backlight and only forward throw. And a Type 5 distribution, which would be 360 degrees around. We have available controls that include a bottom-mounted occupancy sensor and a top-mounted NEMA photo control receptacle. The standard photo control receptacle will be a 3-pin, but we do have an option for a 5 and 7-pin also available. The L70 on this product will be over 100,000 hours based on TM21 and at 25 degrees Celsius. It's 0 to 10 dimmable drivers, and they are available in universal voltage at 120 through 277 and 347 through 480. It comes standard with a 20 kV surge protector. So that's probably the highest that you'll see in the industry right now. It is IP65 rated, so it's rated for outdoor use. We're putting in greater than 110 lumens per watt efficacy and greater than 70 CRI, and it comes with MAXLITE'S 5-year limited warranty. Some of the other issues that you want to look at if you are doing projects for municipalities or any place that's getting grant money, this is a UL rated product, so UL for both Canada and the United States, and it is assembled in the US, so it meets both of those criteria for you. It comes, as we said, with 8 different mounting arms so that you can customize for whatever type of installation you're doing. And as we go to the next slide, we'll see that the first one on the top is our canopy mount. So again, we talked about that for a parking lot and area lighting. Our trunnion mount and our slip fitter, our fixed slip fitter and our adjustable slip fitter can be utilized for flood lighting. Our area lighting will be the pole mounted and also the rigid surface mount for square poles, and also the fixed slip fitter if you do happen to have a boom or a tenon mount. And if you want to put it up so that you get some forward throw, you can use the knuckle slip fitter as well. And finally, we have for a wall pack type, we have the wall mount, and then we have the adjustable surface mount and the original surface mount. The unique thing with this particular product is you can order one of the particular brackets initially, put it up, say you were to get the wall mount, and then in a year or two or at any time you decide, you know what, I'd like to have an adjustable surface mount instead because I want to have some more forward throw. You can simply just order that bracket from MAXLITE. Instead of changing out the complete fixture, now you just change out the bracket. So it makes it very, very easy to use. As we go to our next slide, we're going to talk about, it comes available in 5 different wattages. It has a 55 watt, which is equivalent to a 250 watt metal halide. We have an 80 watt version that would equate to a 250 watt pulse metal halide. Our 110 will replace a 320 watt metal halide. The 135 will do a 400 watt metal halide, and the 160 will do a 400 watt pulse metal halide. So this fixture offers a solution to 80% or more of your outdoor lighting needs. And it does this, as we said, by accepting the variety of different options. And again, you can see the picture here, some of the area light, the wall pack, floodlight, and canopy versions. One of the unique things about this product is its sleek body. So as we see the top part of the picture here, we have a pressed metal top cover. So it helps to reduce the amount of snow and ice that'll build up on the fixture. We have a single extruded aluminum LED heatsink that's underneath. The rounded body is contoured for a low EPA rating, so this helps with our wind loading. We have die cast end caps, high efficiency LED engines and optics, and finally an independent and isolated component or compartment for drivers and sensors. If you do go on our website, the data sheet is available. So this is a picture of the data sheet that's currently available. It's available in several areas on our website. If you just go into QuadroMAX, you can. If you go into the independent areas that it's associated with, so if you go into our area and roadway light, you'll see it there. You'll see it under our floodlight tag as well, our wall pack, and our canopies. Also, what we're showing is the landing page. So when you first go into the QuadroMAX on our website, you'll come to this landing page. So all of the specifications are available for you there as well. Just a quick hit on that if you don't need to detail the data sheet. At MAXLITE, we've got your project covered. So we will be holding inventory of the QuadroMAX in all of its available wattages. When an order comes in, the appropriate mounting arm and selected options will be added to the box and promptly shipped out. This will allow us to customize orders in 2 weeks or less. What we will tell you is we anticipate having the product available for you by mid-November. Along with this, if you go on our website, we have brochures that are available for you to download. And if you would like hard copies, please put that request through, either through your inside salesperson or through our marketing team directly. So what we have here is a 2-page brochure. So we have the first page, and as Blake clicks, we'll see the second page as well. And then also, if you go to the website, you will see a promotional video that you can forward over to any of your customers. And finally, we have a product video also that goes into detail about the product. And you also get to see our product manager there. You'll meet Francisco as he describes all the usage for the QuadroMAX. We also have Francisco is on now, so should you have any questions, he is available to take them now. We want to remind you, as we do during every webinar, about the MAXLITE Lighting and Technology University. It's available on our website. It's something that you're able to have your employees get up to speed if you do bring new employees on. We are in the process of upgrading this as well to bring in more LED technology information there. But again, it's a resource for you to utilize. We are available for some custom product and technology training. We do lunch and learns, breakfast and learns, online webinars. We can focus on specific MAXLITE products, LED technology, or just general lighting training. So we can customize any presentation for you and your staff. Just simply reach out to me, and you've got my email address there. Also, we'll touch on Joe Pater and his group for utility rebates. What I will say about the QuadroMAX is it is currently going through DLC as we speak. So there are several areas about that. And when we get the final DLC, we'll also have the final EPA numbers for you as well. So all that is going through some final testing right now. But utilize Joe Pater and his group for any of your rebate or DLC Energy Star questions. And as we say, we're going to stay on a little bit now because we know we're going to have some specific questions. Ashley, I would tell you, yes, 3,500 Kelvin. What we would need you to do is get us the quantity that you need for that particular project, and we'll be able to tell you yes, and if there would be any type of change in the pricing for a 3,500 Kelvin. The product will be available in 4,100 and 5,000 Kelvin. So those are standard colors. If you would need something else, you'd have to reach back to us for if there was a custom Kelvin temperature that you'd be looking for. This is an exciting new product. Again, it's the first of its kind for MAXLITE. The first time that we're going to have the availability to have a family of products for all of your needs. What we're going to do is we've got Francisco now in the room. We're going to have him answer some of the questions that have been coming through live.
Yeah, there's a question regarding the EPA of the fixture. Right now, I've just finished calculating the EPAs for all the fixtures, and they will be published in our system and our website and on all the spec sheets as well. There's another question here regarding, will there be availability to order just a core fixture and mounting attachment separately? This was something that was explored. We certainly have the capability of being able to do that. We didn't really go after that way of selling the fixture because most people obviously kind of don't want to stock the fixture if we are having that great flexibility of having inventory also on our side. But that certainly can be discussed. If you want to have that flexibility on your side, we can certainly go ahead and sell the base unit, and you can have multiple of the mountings just to have the fixture available for any configuration. There was a question, and I'm pretty sure that this was already answered, but I'm just going to be reading from the list of questions here. Will there be availability of other Kelvin temperatures besides 5,000? Yes, 4,000 K will also be available. 3,500 K available for custom order if large quantities. Yes, we are open to doing this for larger quantities. That shouldn't be a problem. The only issue with that would be if you're really looking for DLC listing, that's going to make it harder because that has some wait time, and we would have to retest everything. But if you're just looking for that for a custom order, certainly you can always reach out to us, and that is a simple thing that we can do. This product, the QuadroMAX, is exclusive to MAXLITE. This was our own design. We put a lot of effort into this design to make it flexible and that it's a kind of groundbreaker in the marketplace. So yes, this is only available from MAXLITE. Peter Wilcox is asking regarding 3K. Depending on the volume, we can always do this as a special, or if it becomes really mainstream, we can obviously add it as a main item or a stock item or something that we always have available as well. The arm does have curve on it at the base of the arm, so it is capable of being mounted on a round pole as well. Yes, and based on the last question from Bill Jordan, yes, everything EPA and weights and sizes of everything will be available on the data sheet and on our website as well.
All right, folks, we thank you for joining us. We thank Francisco for coming in and giving us his expertise as well. We look forward to you continuing to visit MAXLITE for our webinars each and every month, the last Thursday of the month. Thank you, folks. Have a good day.